These are, again, why we don't care about the most hyped IPO the day these things come out. This XMTR came out back in 2021, traded as high as $100 a share, dropped almost 90% over the next 2 or 3 years. It slowly worked its way back. Again, all of this is a very tough time to be involved with the name. All we care about is when the name is able to get back up to these highs and back through them. So just like with life, even though it got there very soon, when it got back up to those highs, 18 to 33 in a week, 30, 40, 50% move when all you did was buy through that high. So this XMTR, we're talking years later, half a decade later, something that even with SpaceX probably won't take that long. You can see with these IPOs, it can take years, but when they get back up here, that's when you can find very tight risk entries through those highs. So for us, we want to buy through 98, call it $100, and you can very quickly see 3 to 6 months move to call it 150. So definitely been keeping a close eye on this name as it continues to lag out here. It's been battling this like 97 area a couple of times, finally pushes through here about 2 weeks ago. But again, it pulls back in, but nothing, no crazy sell off. And this is again why we tend to focus on names that are near all-time highs. Even if we bought XMTR through this all-time high, when it was the most expensive name it had ever been in 5+ years, didn't work. Even if you still are holding it, you're down 2 or 3%. So this is one of the main reasons why we always focus on the names that are near highs that have been setting up for weeks, months, or years. Because even if you're wrong, it's not like this name is going to touch an all-time highs and crash all-time lows in a couple of days. But when you're trading it, on the way down, when it is near lows, it's a much tougher and much riskier trade. Anytime you're buying this thing near lows, you buy it at 20, it's at 10, 6 months later. So we don't want to be involved when it's the cheapest. We want it when it's the most expensive and our risk is the tightest it possibly could be. Welcome to Big Picture Trading.